Hello friends, welcome to today's class. Today we will prove the type of questions from previous year's question papers on trigonometry. So this is a homework problem given in my previous video. If root 3 tan theta equals to 1 and theta is an acute angle, find the value of sin 3 theta plus cos 2 theta. This question is from KSEEB March 2019 question paper sum. So here is given root 3 tan theta equals to 1. So tan theta equals to 1 by root 3. Now tan theta equals to 1 by root 3 is tan 30 degree. So therefore tan theta will get cancelled. So theta equals to 30 degrees. Now find the value of, that is, sin 3 theta plus cos 2 theta. So that is equal to sine of 3 into theta value. So we have got 30 degrees, substitute in theta place, plus cos 2 into 30 degrees. So therefore sine 30 into 3 is 90 degrees plus cos 2 into 30 is 60 degrees. So therefore sine 90 degrees is 1 and cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2. So take the LCM. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 by 2. That equals to 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2. So this is the value of the given equation. Now this is example number 2. If B equals to 15 degree, then prove that 4 sin 2b into cos 4b into sin 6b equals to 1. So this is KSEEB October 2015 question paper sum. So here B is given 15 degrees. So now what is given, that I'll write it, 4 sin 2b into cos 4b into sin 6b equals to 1. So we have to prove it, this equal to 1. Now let me take the LHS part, that is 4 sin 2b into cos 4b into sin 6b, that equals to 4 into sin 2 into b value, let me substitute 15 degrees, into cos 4 b value is 15 degrees into sin 6 into 15 degrees. So now 4 sin 15 2s are 30 degrees into cos 15 4s are 60 degrees into sin 90 degrees. So now this will become 4 into sin 30 is 1 by 2 into cos 60 is also 1 by 2 into sin 90 degrees is 1. So this equals to 4 into 1 by 2 to the 4. So 4 will get cancelled, that equals to 1. So this is equal to RHS. So we got RHS value is 1. This is very important example. Sin theta plus cosecant theta whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta whole square equals to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. This is KSEEB June 2015 question paper sum. So you know well a plus b whole square formula, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So let me use this formula in the LHS part. So what is given in the LHS part? That is sin theta plus cosecant theta the whole square plus cos theta plus secant theta the whole square. So that is, we'll use a plus b whole square for this. So a is sin theta and b is a cosecant theta. That is sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 into sin theta into cosecant theta plus, now here also again use a plus b whole square formula, that is cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 into cos theta into secant theta. Now sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta into cosecant theta, I can write reciprocal of sin theta plus again write it cos square theta as it is plus secant square theta plus 2 into cos theta into secant theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. So now here sin theta will get cancelled and cos theta will get cancelled. So remaining I will write it sin square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 is remaining here. Now plus cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2. So now sin square theta plus cos square theta I will write together, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta and remaining is cosecant square theta plus next secant square theta plus this 2 plus 2 is a 4. So now this is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. That is, we can use the identity. And plus here cosecant square theta is nothing but 1 plus cot square theta. Here I will write it 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosecant square theta. We'll use the trigonometric identities. Again, now secant square theta is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta equals to secant square theta. So in the place of secant square theta, I'll use 1 plus tan square theta. Now remaining plus 4. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 4 is 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. So now see, we got a RHS, that is 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta, that is equal to RHS. So here this is example number 4. This is one of the most repeated example. So prove that square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta equals to cosecant theta plus cot theta. This is KSEB June 2015, March 2019 and March 2015. In all these question papers we can see this same problem. So let me solve this. Let me take the LHS part, that is square root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So in the previous videos I told you that how to take the rationalizing factor. So here also we have to take rationalizing factor, that is RF of 1 minus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta. Here 1 minus cos theta rationalizing factor is 1 plus cos theta. So now let me multiply the rationalizing factor in the numerator and denominator. 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So what is the rationalizing factor? 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So now this equals to square root of 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta the whole square. So divided by this is a minus b into a plus b, that is 1 square minus cos square theta. So this equal to 1, write the square root, 1 plus cos theta the whole square divided by 1 minus cos square theta, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So now here we have 1 square is nothing but 1 minus cos square theta, that is cos square, let me send that side, that is sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So in the place of 1 minus cos square theta, I can substitute sin square theta. So 1 minus cos square is sin square theta. So now this square and this square root will get cancelled. So what is remaining? 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So this equal to, so let me divide separately for the numerator, 1 by sin theta, this plus as it is cos theta by sin theta. So 1 by sin theta, that is reciprocal of sin theta, is a cosecant theta, plus cos theta by sin theta is a cot theta. So this is RHS. We proved that cosecant theta plus cos theta. Okay friends, that's all about today. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.